Enabling Wi-Fi hotspot on your iPhone 16 allows you to share your cellular data connection with other devices when regular Wi-Fi isn't available. Here's how to set up and manage your iPhone's personal hotspot connection. The first method we'll demonstrate is through the Settings menu. To do this, go to the home screen and then tap on the Settings icon. Once you're in the Settings menu, scroll down and tap on Personal Hotspot. If Personal Hotspot is disabled, tap to turn on the cellular data switch. By then, you can proceed by setting up and enabling Personal Hotspot. To continue, tap to turn the switch next to Allow Others to Join on or off. If you want to set your Personal Hotspot password, tap on Wi-Fi password. Enter a secure password and then tap Done to save it. If you want, you can maximize your internet performance by turning the Maximize Compatibility switch on. Otherwise, just keep the switch off. Alternatively, you can set up a personal hotspot connection straight from the control center. To do this, swipe down from the top right corner to open the control center and then tap and hold on the Wi-Fi icon. From the panel icons, locate and then tap on Personal Hotspot to turn the feature on or off. When it's turned on, your personal hotspot status becomes discoverable. Otherwise, it's turned off. Note that your hotspot will automatically turn off when no devices are connected to save battery. And that's it. Please subscribe to this channel if you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more relevant smartphone videos.